Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am back with a cubing video. Now I have never done one of these before. Hang on, I need a cough. Oh, sorry for that. Oh, did I cough right in the, hang on. I'm gonna unplug my headphones. It's gonna make a horrible sound. So plug in your ears and don't listen. Okay. Hope that wasn't too bad. Okay, so I'm going to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. No, not basically solve it. I'm going to attempt to solve, I'm going to show you how to hack the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Now, hacking it is bad, but like, you know, if you really, like, if it's like this, and this is here, and no, this, like, it's like an L, mini L on here, and this needs to be on the green where this green is. So you can just twist like that. See, look. I'm gonna do a face reveal. So yeah, you just gotta twist. See, it has to have a sphere in the middle. I'm gonna turn you guys around. It has to have a sphere like this. And then you can like twist. So that is how to get the white side. You can keep doing that and trying to solve it. I already solved two sides. This one and this one. No, let's do this one. Might not see the cube. Okay, that won't work. So, yeah, I just thought that was pretty cool, in my opinion. Okay, well,